Developed and made in the USA, Accelerator by Dr. Pooper Drain Field Cleaner is not just another bacteria or enzyme additive. It's a commercial strength bioaccelerator, which means it multiplies the bacteria in your system by up to 40 times. That is enough to get that system cleaned out. Plus, it's totally safe and non-toxic. So feel free to use it in your household. It's totally safe for pets, people, plants, and the environment. Using Accelerator by Dr. Pooper Drain Field Cleaner tablets is easy. For your initial treatment, just drop in 2 tablets. For ongoing stay clean maintenance, flush 1 tablet every 2 weeks. Wait about 30 or 40 seconds, and then flush. That's it, the system is treated.